Hello, investors. Welcome to the channel where I use technical analysis to find possible swing trades. Today, we're taking a look at Tower Semiconductor, ticker symbol TSEM. This is a small cap company with a market cap just below $3 billion. As the name suggests, they sell semiconductors. Now, we know in the semiconductor space, there's one word everyone repeats over and over: NVIDIA, NVIDIA, NVIDIA. Now, this is obviously not NVIDIA. Of course, you do not need an NVIDIA chip in, for instance, your microwave oven or your smart refrigerator. So while you may want an NVIDIA chip for your high-performance gaming computer, there are other companies that can still make profit in this space that do not have the same performance as NVIDIA chips. And this is one of them. And here we have the annual chart for Tower Semiconductor. You'll see the share price there just below $27 a share as of Friday's close. And take a look at the chart. You'll see it is down significantly over the past several months. As NVIDIA rose, this company and several others fell proportionately. In fact, you have a big gap here, jumping from about 30 to 75 or so down to, we'll put it at 31. Which is nice to know that there's that gap up above the current share price. And here we had it bounce off the 20-day moving average, move lower, and Friday we had a nice big red candlestick, bringing the share price even lower for us. And if we look down to the RSI, you'll see it is oversold and is not showing any signs of turning up again. Both stochastics are the same. They are well into oversold territory and do not appear to be turning up. The volume chart is a bloodbath. You have this gigantic red candlestick, of course, but then you have, over the last several trading weeks, mostly red days. There are a few green days scattered in there, but it is disproportionately red, as you might imagine. And here, surprisingly, the MACD is above zero, though it does look like it's dropping lower. So it is highly likely that even though this company is down, that it is on its way to dropping even lower, which could give us an even better buying opportunity. And if I switch back over here to the fundamentals, I think you'll see the numbers here, just from this very cursory brief overview, give a pretty good picture. You have a very low short interest, less than 1%. The debt to equity ratio is outstanding, showing it has less debt than 78% of other companies in the industry. The PE ratio is low, as you can imagine from the depressed share price, but it is lower than 66% of other companies in the industry. PE currently is 11.36, so not too shabby. And the gross margin of just about 28% is greater than 67% of other companies in the industry, so above average gross. An outstanding operating margin of 20.6% that beats out 86% of other companies in the industry. Return on equity, again, outstanding. It's just shy of 15% and beats out 89% of other companies in semiconductor industry. And the growth rate is truly outstanding, greater than 100% of its peers. So this is apparently the fastest growing semiconductor company there is. All these metrics are excellent, or at least above average, and yet the share price is lower than it's been in the last year. So I'm curious to know what you think. Please let me know your comments on Tower Semiconductor in the comments below. And remember, none of this is financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I offer these videos for education, information, and discussion. But if you got something out of it, I would appreciate it if you hit the like button and subscribe to help out the channel. If you enjoy this kind of content, please hit the bell notification to be alerted when new videos are posted. Or if you'd like me to take a look at a particular company using the indicators I present here, just mention that in the comments, and I'll try to get to it as soon as I can. That's all for today. Thanks for watching, and good luck with all your investments.